This is Doug Chapman with Campus Insiders. It is Super Bowl weekend. I was one game away from playing in the Super Bowl my rookie year. We lost to the New York Giants in the NFC Championship game, got blown out 41-0. It was not a very pleasant experience. I was in New York yesterday partaking in some Super Bowl activities, and it brought back bittersweet memories being back in the city where my Super Bowl dreams were dashed. I was one game away, the closest I ever got. Very envious of guys that got to play in it, extremely envious of guys that actually won it. Now, let's talk about the game. You've got the Denver Broncos led by Peyton Manning and the Seattle Seahawks led by Russell Wilson. Today on Campus Insiders, you can actually go see a VOD of that if you go to our website. Myself and Pete Futek and Russ Mitchell got into a debate about who had the better college career statistically between Russell Wilson and Peyton Manning. If you go and look at it, you might be surprised and lean towards Russell Wilson like I did. That's another conversation. You can see it on www.campusinsiders.com. Go check that out. But for the game itself, the creme de la creme, the biggest game of the year, I am going with the Denver Broncos. I don't think the weather will be any type of factor. It should be cool, but it should be dry. Both teams have played in cold weather. We as football players, we don't care. We just want the surface to be dry. I just don't think that the Seattle Seahawks can stop Peyton Manning for 4 quarters from scoring enough points to beat you. You've got Thomas at wide receiver, Thomas at tight end. You've got Welker at the slot. You've got Decker at the other receiver. You've got Moreno in the backfield. Peyton Manning has too many weapons at his disposal. I love Seattle. I love how tenacious they are on defense. I love their brashness. I love how aggressive they are. But I just don't see them being able to hold up and prevent Peyton Manning from making plays for an entire game. So my pick is Denver 24, Seattle 13, and probably one of the best Super Bowl games you and I have seen in a long time. I don't think this game will be a sleeper. I think it will be the game that everyone anticipates it will be, but Denver will come out on top. Now, I will see you guys on Monday, and make sure you check out CampusInsiders.com. Once again, I'm Doug Chapman for Campus Insiders. Make sure you always check out Campus Insiders for your college football fix, and every once in a while I'll be giving you some professional sports talk too as well. Have a great weekend.